Hey, Adam here with simple and fast review of the Tadpole Jump brand Tesla Model Y door pocket protectors. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, put them in the vehicle, test them out, and let you know whether or not they're worth buying. So as we get these out of the box, pretty standard looking. They'll be pretty obvious which side they go into because they'll only fit in one side. And the key being is that it's kind of a rubbery plastic, but that they have different areas to leave things in. So as you probably have experienced, things will kind of slide around otherwise, and so this should be a nice insert. So we'll go ahead and show what it looks like. All right, so as you can probably see, there's no divider or anything like that. I do have some stuff in there. So all you're going to do is just slide it in. Easiest if you kind of get it to the back, if you ask me, and then just going to push down a little bit, and it will find the grooves. Hopefully you saw that. I'm not sure if I captured that well or not, but basically just fits in that way. And now you've got some divider space on the back, the front, stuff like that. So it makes it a little bit easier to kind of store stuff. There is a little bit of gap, but I think that's going to just settle in. Most of this stuff usually just settles in after a couple days, so that gap will disappear. But either way, it's still nice and allows me to keep this easy to clean, so I can just yank this whole thing out whenever I need to in order to just vacuum it and clean it. So hopefully this review helped, and definitely worth buying. Thanks for watching.